Hi there, welcome to our channel. So in Flipkart's Big Billion Day, LG sold a lot of LG G8X dual screen smartphone, and it's really a value for money phone. It offers two OLED displays, it's IP68 rated, that's got DAC, DTS-X surround sound, Snapdragon 855, optical image stabilization, and the list goes on. But where it lacks is in the software experience. It's not smooth enough, and on top of that, there are some features missing. So in this video, we have compiled few of the applications that might help improve the dual screen experience, and also we will provide some apps to improve the productivity. And if you found any useful apps other than the one mentioned in this video, then do let us know via comments. It will help our tech community. With that being said, it's time for us to start with our first pick. This application is called Dual Launch for LG. As the name suggests, you can launch two apps simultaneously on both screens with just a single click. Yes, all you have to do is assign which app to show in which screen, like left and right. Once you do that, hold it for 2 seconds and you will have the shortcut on your home screen from which you can launch the applications. But for this app to work, you have to be on dual screen mode. It won't work if you are using it on single screen. Moving on, we have wide mode for LG. Now the phone has wide view support by default, but that only works for few of the Google applications. But if you want to use it on some other app, then it's not possible. And this is where the wide mode application comes into play. It's simple, all you have to do is install the app and go into notification bar, enable the specific tile, and that's it. Now whenever you require any app to get into wide view, simply pull down the notification bar and click on wide mode. It's that simple and effective. Next we have a productive app that supports dual screen and you will just enjoy using it. The app is Microsoft Outlook. If you use Gmail for all your email needs, then it's time to switch to Microsoft Outlook app. Just download and enter your email address and password. Once it's set, you should use Wide View, our second app of choice for today. And once that is done, you will get all your emails on one screen, and on the other, you will see the mail which you have opened. It's very smooth and you will feel like this app was made for this phone, and you are somewhat right. This app was made for Surface Duo, which is a dual screen device from Microsoft. FYI, I did try other Microsoft apps, but none of them worked for me as good as Outlook. So if you find any other Microsoft app that works, then do let us know. The next app which we are going to check out is the Gcam. Yes, your beloved Gcam can be installed on this phone. Just click on the link given in the description. It's 100% safe, no risk involved. Now there are multiple Gcams available, you can try anyone. I'm not your happy snapper, so I don't know much about the quality you are looking for, but overall the output is decent. You can figure out that by yourself. Just download and install the APK, and if needed, there are configs available which you can install in Gcam. The next app, or we can call it the last app for today, and that is the Internet Speed Meter. Well, this app doesn't need much explanation. It shows you the download and upload speed, and it just works. All my previous phone had this feature baked into UI, but sadly this phone doesn't have it. Anyways, worry not, with this app it will be easy and efficient. You can change the size, placement, or if you want to see only the download speeds, even that can be done, and lot more. And by far this is the best application for doing that. And this is where we conclude our video. If you liked what we saw, then hit like and subscribe. If the response turns out to be massive, then maybe we will make part 2 or some other video on LG G8X. So hope to see you in the next one. Peace out.